Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Dagispangut ki doktor na kalengari India gilawan poi hanong ba Shillong bani shimenta ha kalempung ba balapenlong daga Association of Physicians of India Meghalaya chapter bani teri yathai sani bat banwat yakilat gelenti kumno banwat bania bat banti bania halor ki jingpang balai phojaj ki bakan rei kat banang mi gisngi ya kani kalempung ba ka balai sngi ka balalong ha ka arflai terik unaiweng arajar khat kandai ha State Convention Center la ple pai ba do Dr. KK Parikh u balalong kongsan ha kani kasngi harengkat ka jingidon langjong Dr. BA Muruganathan u balalong sembut kongsan bat kiwe u Dr. Parikh ha bakren kum kongsan ula ong bakani ka jingya kenduk lang hapdeng ki doktor na ka doba India bat ki doktor jeng ki jilla ka than chatai lamingi ka niarap ba hadu kata ban snguthu khamba ya ka jing e ka bagi pai ba nong shonong ki kenduk ha ka baye dei bat ka pang ka shitom bat kumjuru banti pnia halor ki jingpang ki bakharoi kat banang mi gisngi.
A newborn child of API, although it born at the age of 75, at the time of Platinum Jubilee, but it is still very precious, and I think it will do much better and it will grow very progressively, and I wish a great success to this newly born Meghalaya chapter of API. A dynamic field like healthcare, where learning never stops at any age, any time. It becomes almost a challenge for a clinician and a practicing physician to keep abreast with the latest rapidly development taking place. And such conferences like today, this conference, they actually translate the vision of API to disseminate knowledge to our physician members all over the country, and one has to attend such conferences because, you know, the knowledge which we get in such conferences is a ready source of knowledge. Other purpose of and vision of API is to keep all the members of our medical fraternity, physicians on one platform, because to have a propagation for better healthcare in India, because physicians are the key persons which are involved in providing better healthcare. This will be for the first time all the president and secretaries of all the state chapters are invited, because we have to look their problems, because, you know, state chapters are the pillar of strength for API. If we don't look to them, I think our purpose does not solve. PRF is one of the most important project of API, research project, which is it was lacking in API. So anybody in API, any member of API who has got a project or research work, he can very well apply to the PRF or to the API. His project will be taken and accordingly will be given sanctioned the money, because we have got a good budget for research purpose also.